Hey everybody! Growing up here in the Pacific Northwest, I cut my teeth fishing for trout in small streams. We got plenty of them all around here. It's something I kind of drifted away from over the years, but it's time to get back to my roots. So I'm gonna head down here to a spot that's perennially good for some pretty nice trout and hopefully have the time of my life. Sun's getting low, which is a good thing. So I gotta get down here in the shade close enough to the water that these things will see me and spook out of there if I'm too lit up by the sun. Oh, there we go. We've got a hookup. Oh, nice. I'm using just a little itty bitty fly. That's a good trout. Not a huge one, but it's a nice one. Let's see if I can get down lower. Get this guy in. Oh, what a pretty fish. Wow. Yeah. Beauty. Here it comes. Oh man, that's nice. What a pretty fish. Tell you what. Look at that. Just a little ant fly. Look pretty. 12-inch trout. Hot dog. And those fish are still really popping out there. Let's see about getting one. There's some big ones in the mix. Get down there where they're really boiling. That's cool. That is real cool, man. Ooh! They tried to hit my float. Come on, get that fly. There's a hit. Oh! Alright, alright. There we go. Oh, a hot dog. Here we are. Down here a little bit. About the same as the first one. Maybe a little smaller. Oh, oh yeah. That's a little 10-inch guy. Kind of thin. Ooh, careful, buddy. Come on now. There we go. Come off real easy. Beauty, dude. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, sweet cheesecake. That's a good one. Actually, probably about the same as the last couple, but hey, these are nice trout. Oh, yeah. That's a chunky one. Got some nice fall color on it. Yeah, these are pretty. Come on there. There you go. See you later, buddy. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a little guy. Woo! Oh, you spat it. Oh, that was fun anyway. That's what I need to be using right there. That little tiny fly. Maybe tomorrow. Just had a ripper bite though. I don't think he felt it. There you get him to take again. There we go. Oh yeah. Ah, that's a nicer one. What a beauty. the way down. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, there he goes. Oh, it's another sweet one. Ah, yeah. Whoa. Ease up, buddy. Ouch. Oh, there we go. Forceps would help. Ooh, there he goes. See you, bud. Right on. I like this, some free tackle. Oh, I lost it. Oh, I'm gonna get it back. Hot dog, free tackle. Woohoo! Oh, that was. They keep trying to eat the float. That was a nice one too. Oh yeah! Hot dog! Oh, he jumped to hit the rocks. All right. That's a smaller one. I think I can probably hoist it up here. Chubby buddy. Look at the belly on that guy. Now be careful here. I don't want you to fall down, hit the rocks. He fell down, didn't hit the rocks. Let me get down here. Come on. Some forceps and dry flies out here. Really whack them. There you go, buddy. It's getting late. It's just before you leave. Want to see how they'll do on a lure. See if they're into that. They're really into the flies right now, but why not give it a shot? Got a hit right off the bat. Oh, there he is. Ha ha! Oh, man. Oh, yeah. All right, you. Oh, that's a chubby one, too. That's a nice one. Prettiest fish. Oh, my goodness. Look how pretty that is. There you go, buddy. Oh. Oh, there's a hit. Oh, yeah. Ooh, spring. Oh, we got a wild one. Yeah. Spunky little guy. Oh yeah. See? There we go. Next time, buddy. What a pretty evening, huh? Love it here. Couple of long bombs right through the gut. Oh! Ha ha! Right off the bat. Little guy. Woohoo! at him go. Skinny little guy. But they're all pretty. There you go, bud. Alright, well, that'll do it for today. Hope to come back tomorrow and try these on some dry flies. I think that'll be really fun. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more and hit that little bell for notifications of when I put up new material. And get out here and have the time of your life.